possibilities.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Bonjour. Yamobia achi. Yesanso emobia akaba. This is a brand new day the Lord has made, and we will rejoice and be glad in it. Mehoye and mijidi se baby a onso wo bia no nyame adom nti ohoye. Yemfa aseda ma otumfo nyankopon. Yeda no ono an hwe so yesori enso na basa kese ne kutayemu enya na adom ne ehumo bra nke bia menu mienu yeda ya na nke bia yentimi ansori but yetimi ansori ne ewa hoode nko adia yemfa aseda emotumfo nyankopon ye wagidie woni mu se wama ade pa achi yenko ade ene mapapa bibre wo yanim a obepese in fact wahehye so obeye e de amaye obeme ye hu obeme yaso ate obeme ya experience no enne no into no yemfa aseda kese no emfa emma no enne eye 8th July Wednesday na afi 2026 ye twemu half aka half what you say half no kra no ye yi be 1 week efim ai into no ye kwa yakoyanim nyankopon ye hye ne say oma afi no ensanso embetoye as in the end of the year no yensan hu the end of the year and the new year sa ena etie memo akaba eba Coastal TV morning mix jumedie no eso Wednesdays edition nie ena ye di brewi bomodi ase obeskane o TV no na wanya channel 514 ananso se obehwehwe ye wo Facebook any YouTube na onsa akaye ewo ho sene ebeya jumedie eba bedi fitina hyase ekopim na wieye no ubehuni nyina mpacha send the link no so fama obi YouTube link and Facebook link no send na fama obi na yenkwa echi na Coastal TV ebusuan no enipa bebre emra na omumeka ho anope yensanso fast da emma yaboafo a aso yasen eye National Petroleum Authority NPA Samsung ena diesel gift shop ene Nesto Ventures, Patmo Print, and the Taste Kitchen Services. As I saying, say for money makes you mediano, yamfa emro. Me pacho, media me just wa AFIBA ESSIEN and pay mene Omar bin Abdallah and ye did you mediano bremo and paint. But more answer very relaxed. Popcorn be now pampacho, popcorn be not now TV neshi. So I will share what come of Ofena okay Juma also office and my aquaba. But say, says a mere copy himself about non do day. Only a betna. Only a betna near the new Hobianso, ye de asimo fe. Adia Chebia Ubekwe Juma, Ubibeko school. Me bebre wo ho na ye beko ye plans bebre ne mum se yankopon enkan ye ho a ye ntimi nye na sometimes so na ye mu bebre na ye hia some form of motivation inspiration to boost our spirits enwa be kenya ye honhom na ma ye body ne ye mind ye soul ye heart ni nyina a function properly in coordination what I say into no ne science na Coastal TV na no pa bia ye de motivational message and inspirational message no ye de ebrel into no anope so ye de motivational message no ebrel and then no ye to ye play the free Cape Coast ha say ye kwa kwa motivational message no wo amano ne ye de ebrel into bomodi answer we no a special edition bomodi answer obe tie na wetie no asopem enti yankasa ya de nyina ye maame prekope ye CEO ye director ye mommy ai ene de motivational message no ebreye enti yentie ne owoka na efi ye nto adwumade no eso
Coastal TV
world when you are it's a world of endless possibilities.
Why are you mopping?
And okay, I'm not doing Iradina Sanamato bro, may your friend inspirational message. We wish Iradina Sanka Creepy for John chapter 14, the 27th verse. John, it's Ibranan, Nitishim Idunu is son, American war, Patokasum, Ma Yenti Iradina Sam, them the Iradina Samaka. Peace I live with you. My peace I give to you. Not as the world gives do I give to you. Let not your hearts be troubled, neither let them be afraid. Iradina Sami. Now smudre no zijahen. And see we want to find out to baby said ne himfa another one and orkesi. Jesus Christ no kesi no kasetre ni eshiafol. So kasetre ni eshiafla no chado kasetre me na wonso. Kasetre yin na. Asmudre no zijahen. Ne wiaza asmudre no. Ono na asmudre no zijahen. Nti mu do chechire papa. Ne wiaza asmudre na. Nti se hwe wiaza asmudre na nche beka do obi odzifu bi onya no ho onye sika onye mo beti na bibia na aza o asmudre. Ne ewrat na asmudre no goes beyond that. It doesn't even depend on the money and whatever you may have. Ebi owa o sika o bibia na so akodanda onya asmudre. Osanda namba mana asmudre, osanda negwu mbo onya asmudre wo ho. Asmudre ofie rade woban. It's unconditional. Asmudre on depend wo nzama ewodo. No se any masmudre, the masmudre na se odzimo wa even in the middle of the storm you are comfortable because nasmudre obama enya it's what even if you are in the storm na in so there was storm numa in hurutu rather such a passagenet to nitse gudo ma edima onje ekonko ebomba na samse menyu wo ho no nom de to me there onyu wo nti ebon the masmudre ni ewo nti in the midst of distraction, the midst of confusion, in the midst of storm, and the bono would say, we may have phantom. Never throw. Now I row one into people be said there. Now Osime see none of the mass in ya trinia. Or I name on them they were away rather than us with dreaming tea. Bibia the bibia order. Okay, come on today. Don't let your heart be troubled. Whatever you may be going through today, me pele mission kwan me catch day. Nyami Jesus obey oje henas mudwin. It's nas mudwin no onkan ho AFIBA. Whatever may be you may be confronted with, another da or how abrabum bia nyami nas mudwin onkan ho. Nyami nas mudwin na medi jaw. Jesus okade oro kono wekesi baby amanesia fon amanyan nenesia fon kote second John 14 and the whole of that chapter or prepare esia fon pom mo bi sende enere kwan fa bebe yer kwan yenyim bebe yer ko se emini kwan no it's okay bibia mayan oje nature kama oje nature fine nti munya yemen kan ho na mo de se wo nyamina smudri na wadina asmudri a otsra obunyi pantase do no dijaw the masmudri na na pe masuma samazemo the aminasmudri onkan ho na ekwani biara enim oya adwendwen oya kwadandan onam de e what the masmudri nti bibia beda bibia order nyame nkan ho na nasmudri senkan ho AFIBA asmudri na mdijaw.
Ray, yada sepa anti gifty, yada se, son pay ode motivational message no, a day a bray. The last time I no bidding come and I make a chair nipa kwani say, na me share news, and me who Russia and Ukraine for ye. omo entoka na omo start a long time ago no eda so awo omo gu so omo ko na Russia for no eto a bomb ma make us a bomb bibi e dey call the other country ti utimi hu distraction nkofo dan ase nkofo ewu nkofo eprepra ne ade na utimi hu se asumdwe ya ade bia esombo pa asoman asi ankrankra as ekro se ye wa asumdwe a on ye wa ade nyina nti wo se ye na yesom ye na anhwe ya ka ne sa no na efe ma ye ntie nwum kakra na ye nje aboafo nkra to ye ba na efe na aka nyina nso no ye de ato aso amamo.
I don't know, he just went out like that. How?
Ebusam yentoaso na yemfa kaseba edi ho no so yemfa entoaso emmamo anopai ensema obete ebi eni se eye ebnada poso nkomo a yedi ewo efia ha se no close season no ababeju na emu nkomobo ene ne eka ho bia so no yede emu amanebo ebebre yetiefo na eye security services recruitment a ekoso eye AFIBA no nhwehwemu anaso se amanebo bi ababeto abonten na yade beba besomo nti bomode an se oni ye ebetena sanso ena se ukọ emrahye bedwam sesi a nsem bi ekoso abroni ebeka ne se dual citizenship ye bechem ne yade mu amanebo abremo nti bomode an se oni ebetena Coastal TV channel 514 na yesanso e wo Facebook ene YouTube nti bomode an se obeye ne sa ede amaye maka ni sano na mede enhyemu ebremu na se yekọ empuano sesia no a eye ejanum afarefo menka ni se afarefo ko ni nyina no te say yesi close season no aba na ehyaase eye bosumi ayewom ya na hyase eye 1st July na close season no kamia se first no se na yeye no yenya ne saa afi ensesan bebre na aba no ne nyansan mu no ode ensesan bebre aba ediama afarefo a eye adwuma ewo eposo na anra yene eye nana kwamena sanka a otoso mienu yene no etwetwe enkomo ewo efiase no na wo maye ensonso ya ewom afidie no ene enfeda ananse mfie bebre ababetwemu ekono ensonso ya ewom ni nyina no obaaba ni nyina mu edigu ho ema etiefo mepese yebetie efio no ankasa no
When pon otupo or boy the land otupo. Okay. If off last week it's a call. A panala moye. So boys in the same mono otupum ma frafun your coin disease one ejmaze. Otupum ma frafun in your coin number soon your coin what that opum. The member and to be a couple. The incanano na so what to ma hejanum odan when you are shahabanum kodo the membri na man wa bompana ndem bi abote beke frenyi biara in the day na ncha asumdwe otebeke ni wi asumdwe aba na nde abrafo yimizi ne tuehunu nti nhyeya hempanyimfon odugu akwem odi apudwuma bedwone ya akondo oyehom ma nti dodoale ntuma for manko school nde ya afanya abom ya sen bi se de mpe for dogo de blanda mo nkopo na epono onfan njina ahu esunso wo pum no so ontumi hu eduma bi so na zin ya blanda bi ekosida bi ya woda o depend region bi anaze nde na yesu di ye miasa so na aboadzefo oboad na oboad na la enye mpanyimfo na woda dwune gya he na wenye wo bebi kwan nti ya afani na apo time bi aye da ye pe yenhwe nyama mpanyimfo ndugo akwem nso adzegba won fa bank tikuti nso adzegba gba kase obaya nkan nam kase won nso adze obaya nkatinkatin botume eduom na akase no da aba mosu wenyi na makada nso adwa na akada aso nde gatin na hempi won fa yin nso adze edwuma no ona nde yazi edwuma ya kira ya akir na mandala wawon na obede ne bibaka ma da akir man so nyebiezi seminti penfils na asa na won dum yan hwe han ma epono nsai so say ya nje nya yenim okay nti edwuma so wahe fra edwuma no o da kotin wa Ghana member bre edwuma ho a ho ankasa edwuma ne ye so yin bi an ho a okita paper da me ko hwe edwuma ye edwuma ankasa na ofan afafra na wo ye ho edwuma na aponya wo bebre wo homo oflenyi se nyone saya ebe mo man Ghana so enya asozi nti wo de si won na de wo hwe de me hempe for de jar no be ne ye oni abozia sepe hwehwemufo ya adwen na oche de awo de membri wotupum eji ko papa first na afafu no wantase atechiri no batase de omokwan odise won edwuman omokwan mo zo ho me na mum dem bra hi na enyim de safala nkwa obuoda de krumpo hema nkopa ndebra yo hema nkopa yi kokohwe mpa no ho edwuma no social security ni mo pension pay safara yi no ye edwuma na se ema na adu sese na chiwie ya mpanyin yemen dako wanka edwuma mpa na onye bia no webuada na eboto pum bosomokol ya Ghana hazi ihe na designer fishes no ntua tax bia
okay
mom semi industrial oye insure anabo to phone na industrial oye China phone on go tua tax what ma ben the minsi the mark on nyenye bi
okay
na ya fa ya so nka share pension senator ase se iye penina na untum ko adwuma wotum wa mu bika nkra mezi tino man so se otupum bosumo kura no ho bebre ba no obeyende da meza no no ebe ye yi ahwe umma wodi ndua hema no momo bokopo
okay
na mum di eboni biala wona fere nyim da azam ne yei oya bonen shunu
okay
cause for you biala nyu ha onyim aza oya bonen okum hwe penyin furu okopuma nam na la wachi no nyobu wozi odi bia ba fie me yesu yedibi wopum yedibi muane no da fere nyi bi kopuma na nam na wa we na efu nsu me bogu ne hemam ondibi ba tinta to ndo ayo onye so ndo ya jonka dibi okopuma auto sardine tinam wa bibi aprako abra nam na aso ka fe bopum aba padinsa nti damo kwano do wa hyede ndi yaban biala ohopen ana o se nyipa na amma nyipa na pomezi no sei wa bla wezi nam no yentwu film yemapon onda ho Mr. light fishing chemical fishing and I bonka krama odi nam beble enjai oyam yaw di enu anu bi won taase osa na no bopuma ma panyi mama olon kopum nkapa no mo nises won kopum nkapa na ene ka fa ya baka ka fa ba obedi bi mpa aboto efiye ho ti jama na mo nya asomdwe ondal na de bia ka fi bia ba aboto no so nya ska da hwe wa asisi ma na nka bono ho nti inhem da ahema na ze manga kabanze ya ofra hen artisanal fishes nize wame yakwenya ya ihe edwuma na mmom ndi eboni biara wo biara yin film na efem na wo so ma ze basra me fardom o me fa asute ndebu na yize aho blase nzimbra wa asha no oya mfe da odma he afiso da ma he ya nhwe ne ye ne ndiri ya na ma afina mo ba an de inara badakon
Sansami ena nana kwamena sanka a otoso mienu edito Coastal TV ene yamanfo enimbra na yene no etwetwe enkomo ewo efie ha na emom no wamano anso ha na yesanso ebisa sese na yese artisanal eye fishermen ananse canoe fishermen omonko epono na butayenti a ESSIEN so yede close season no eyese ebema epono ahome no eno no ebe den na abaso na eba ne sa na onye ni se emma sabotaye no enkoyie ana na nsema okan yensu ni
you be just there say all our chon maura ba no dinya akotom ebanado okay ne mbia eban ti mawro banada mba namba acha mawro mba nka na ba ebanano enya no mawre na hamantambe nde ya force na mono ye yuwa ye ya mande ebana sabiya ban mo ye ayed papa mekese me sham fu juma asono na modu be am ya sokon
okay
ay sokon juma mi fi be edonu na nambore the membri nche ya tin ka wande ya kandi ya western region ya kwa ya konjesa kada hwa ya kai na mujuma ya fa bana nche nda wote beke wote ya recha ya bundai ya raba central region ya be febi wa na atro waso sekendi wa fa bai ndi se wa fa bai kaso wa kan wa fa bai abazu wa fa bai abuesu wa fa bai afia yesimi fanyi be no wat de eban wa pa bi wo the means central na west greater hemano we to akoko de okọ hwe ban bi ni ho ye bom pempo de yes ya shama urasi bi baba de me ba no so oba nim mebre ba
okay
dem mebre ba nti dem na ma oyi we fi no nti na nchi ye tupu no mo abozi nyansa pefo hwehwem was my o me asa ase de da metamen na ban wo
okay
nam ko ban ko butuma wo 2500
okay
opepepe ebien na fa nam ko butuma wo the member no wo nti na nchakakra wa aka mun yenje mo wonwo na wondoso ncha obowo na ba no so bowo na so awo na wa doso yonkopon so dibogu cause nam no yonkopon so dibogu nsu no na wa doso wa mehe amma yetum apono nya ahozi wo baado na no bia so wa ba ye dini ban no bi no na makase no so wodi ban no bi
okay
wo zamoni tisha oye international fishers no me international fishers oye tuna fo no
yeah
omo pa amun life
okay
no mo da akoso e ke spray gu pulu mu na makase na aba ho bezi no yakwan won sa kan wa so won sa kan wo da ba da maso na ba no so wati dum ni me na wo ye fi kuma na je mun de na mo so resapu no da wotu kuma he no na nche oye de punala wa yi na ajetu no wasai fa yi bi ajetu no wasai puduma nto puduma no ye nche wo mbaka wo no hema we feel oba ufangwa de bakofu na yi nde enye hema efil ufangwa de bakofu ona ko generator TV ni me da kan ho ya generator na so na so no fango no so da gum na edeko no je mu wa maka no so na no ko ekosa ndomo no nya na makawa no aye da minti wa ma homa bosan ye fayin ka je bosa wo fa mo mo besia no kwa wo do bosan do no oye dada otuma dada to benya ba
okay
iru le brain wegu da mi do hwiri ya epunu obana chiri nka mawre obesi fayin bi ara sesro bo wen na fayin bi nya hozo ndan hwini ya fayin mawre bo yunu bo yun pono na kawa wa ba do wechi no osma edishep ntinka ni yeye no jawus me ba asampa nchi ya tupuma nko ye de sesapon mo ya tupuma be se me ba asa hen dom ni ba no beti
okay
ye nyensi hobo benti na ncha bosomoko nyina
okay
na hawa wo hunu edos no hawa hunu nti wan da yenko ne mum ma fan dia woni bi anko na nkafu ne fo no so yimpa de halo
okay
wo me ho so wo mba sha yenko fu ya bi no ekogo so wo mo ho wa da fo mo wa ka mbanasi wakade wonda fo wa asase nti wo gna wa mu nya akwanya na waza mo da kwan na fa kwan pa de fo kwan na so wo so iya so ozina obada bada fo an hwere ya wo so ba asama me kempo no ase abu ona boy hwe obosho nti wo nkasa ndi yehuni na mbere so ndi heni
Nana Kwame Nasanka obabe anano ebabe sino ena wode efutusem ekoma eye afarefo omo a ekọ eposo ne omo ye eye enam ho adwuma ni nyina se ne be ya closes ya ye yi omo afim se omo no omo ntimi enko omo adwuma no omo betimi ede emra no aye adwuma na enkoba ne se omo be ye bibia ebe ma eye afiedi anim no saa ekonya no ebe hwe wo mo
ya friend no say akaji for ejin ejuma efi ensem akaji for ejin efi ensem e ba sanya na agbokonya atoko ma akaji for wo je efi ensem e brazil na banzi afum chafa owo man with me hena na akaji for je efi ensem ko premise sentence ko fe obi onkopo na weje ejuna da na anaza nti ekru ya yenti ya mama ye apapa hindem nti no kwal awo fredwanu no entum yanka samba bi ba no re ya adina se olombo fredwana iba fenye ko ba kan ko support eso oye papa hinala nsi yo tre yo se adi hinala nti masra yankasa yen kan he humbom na yen bibia pepepe se dem bla waza be ma man ye dem le kaye wa chawo yen tsasi ntu yen hofo ina no mofo ni yen dido no ma aban na nsu dafo umbe he do matiti because the pono do hono yen ejepodo but oye wiadi na hono po
okay
na hezi oda mushe gana abansa nti ya frenya yitum odon se na abai me da dai na me na yin we twom
okay
nja sase
natase
dise mbebi aba no se nkan ye ndama afima ye ndama ntido ni amama akrache fono ombe mbebe mi asam ponche ha na ode kan asam nkan he mpe fo o kan asam o du ombre ndo zama so penyi kan brand yeshia ya ndwi he no pono ya pono de se be ne ya ye ya foto infantry ride atwa ma so bi aba na ncha ban so ehu dampa da mun ko fu wa ye nko fu bia wa kan ho abum wa ye kwal nti anhwe hu ye ya ntum nje today Bible abatensro no Bible for no waka ho bom do obesi abatensro no no akodo masre o me yanka da Bible for no yanka ye ho bom nyanga se yenzi hasam ihye bela owo ho a yan tode da madi ya osepon ma mabuku nkan kire he ya ye hu yenzi do na amampin ana abami bo bia so onfo onfa
Nana Kwame Nasanka atoso mienu a oye anomabo etiwa apofohin ono anso enesanso ye president for Ghana National Canoe Fishermen Council eye Central Regional Chapter no ono ena eda no ono ena Coastal TV ene na twitwe eye mpoano nkomo ewo efie ha sei ye to aso dia na ye kọ eye aban mu na encha ye kra bo so me kakra aba besen kọ no ɛna aban no ɛyɛ ne sɛ ɔbɛfa emabunu ɛwɔ ɛyɛ security services no emu meche police immigration fire service customs ne omo mekeka ho bebre na ɛno nti no emabunu na so bebre na ekokofa ankrata sɛ omo pese omo koye adwuma ɛma ɛyɛ security services no na nhwehwɛmu ɛkɔ so screening ne ade testing ne ade nyina ɛkɔ so na amanebo a ɛba betodwa efri ɛyɛ interior minister akache ɛne sɛ enipa be 6000 de nhwehwɛmu anaso sɛ test a omo ye no ɛkyerɛ sɛ bebre na ɛna ɛyɛ nnubɔne numi ana adokoro wo mo pa na bebre na so yare HIV no na omo wo bi
recent recruitment, we had, I think, about 1,300 or so that were on HIV. And then they said, can you imagine sending somebody a resource, telling the person that you have HIV? I mean, that's not the procedure. The person has to go through some orientation. So one of the things that we did was simply to say that when you get disqualified, you are given a contact to reach out and to shock you to know that over 6,000 people got disqualified only because they were on drugs or had mental issues.
Yemfa yeni enchemu ewo emrahye bedwamu na nsembi ekoso wo ha yede mu amanebo ebremu na eni se eye dual citizenship na echese obi betimi aye omanba ewo Ghana hase ne wasanso aye omanba ewo Togo na echese okita citizenship mienu eno ho asem na akwakopie mu ewo eye emrahye bedwamu emrahye bedwafo no di ho abobo na ne yete ne se mfie mienu aba besin ko no sa bill no ana sa emra no ekoye se omundwe ho na yenhwe se yebeji atum ananso se yenji ntum omantimi am pa no promesibre ansana sa parliament no mrahye bedwa no eba beko na wieye na fofori aba no na chese aban no so ananso mrahye bedwa fo no epese omohwe na omotena so na omope baby e de sa asem no eba besinti committee ete sa asem no so ewo se omoye nhwehwemu na omode omama ne ebo eba no omokopie mu ewo mrahye bedwam na speaker of parliament eye owura Alban Bagben ene nimpenfo ekasa no na ode ensem bi etudwa efasa dual citizenship eho na momientie bi.
Considered the bill and presented its report to the House. The report was debated and the bill successfully passed through the second reading stage on 30th July 2024, but could not be taken through the consideration stage before the dissolution of the 8th Parliament. The Council has duly rendered its advice, and in doing so has advised against the passage of the bill by Parliament. It is not my role to determine the merits of the bill or to prejudge the conclusion that may ultimately be reached by the House, nor is it my role to substitute my judgment for that of the parliamentary committee that will be required to be guided by the advisory opinion in their report to the House. Given the significance of the constitutional issues raised by the Council of State, however, and the potential implications of those issues for Parliament's exercise of its amendment powers under Chapter 25 of the Constitution, I considered it useful to guide the committee and the House with my understanding and appreciation of the constitutional questions raised by the advice. Together with the advice of the Council of State, I submit my humble guidance in writing to the Committee on Constitutional and Legal Affairs Committee as to what and how to deliberate on the matter as attached.
Ora Alban Bagbin oye Speaker of Parliament na yete no na yento aso nko adwaman so na enne no yemfa fuel price ahodo ayewo no yemfa emesum yetiefo nti anopei se eye 8 July 2026 ubomode na okọ eye Frames oil announce Frames filling station bia dia okasa auto petrol na se 1 liter na auto obetua 15 cedis 20 pesos and na diesel no 16 cedis 35 pesos. Oko baby to say JP petrol bo no 15 cedis 20 pesos and na diesel no 15 cedis 77 pesos. Sanso na Zen filling station ma petrol ne bo no 15 cedis 20 pesos and na diesel no 16 cedis 46 pesos. Benap filling station ma petrol ne bo no 15 cedis 20 pesos and na diesel no 15 cedis 81 pesos. Na oko Shell filling station enso a petrol bo no 13 cedis 99 pesos and na diesel no 15 cedis 95 pesos. What Total Energies no petrol no 13 cedis 99 pesos and na diesel no 15 cedis 95 pesos. Baby to say Guel filling station ma petrol ne boy no 12 cedis 79 pesos and na diesel no 15 cedis 35 pesos. Pacific filling station enso ma petrol ne boy no 12 cedis 79 pesos and na diesel no 15 cedis 98 pesos. What Star Oil so no petrol no 12 cedis 79 pesos and na diesel no 14 cedis 95 pesos. Ukopiemu ewo petrol so enso a petrol no boy 11 cedis 98 pesos and na diesel no 12 cedis 98 pesos. Wey any filling stations ahodo na eka ho asa ukọ cityrate.com ubenya na odi aye wa hoboa na ohu anko chill na yede Coastal TV Morning Mix Wednesdays edition kase bonu nyina ebeba no awieye na emom no bebre nso na aka echi ayede ebremu na yebedi enkomo bebre afa awofoye meka se parenting eho na yebeka nyema bebre nso ewom sanso na yede newspaper review nso ebebrew nti no bomode ase unyi we fidie no emfi Coastal TV digital channel 514 na yesanso ewo Facebook and YouTube yenja abo afon krato ni embracesia.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawa Bambo hu hiya ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo bibia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosisa petrol anafa ngo no na afin so menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho akwa kodwitwa videos ana pictures na petrol anafa ngo wo hwen so ohua ko wo mu a enye sunsun aso bone ewo wapomoden sem so fango so eho ahometinti no enfom so okitu ebi ebetumi ameja tom amana gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hihye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa won nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo se fuel tank bi enya akwanhia na adane amafango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da. Stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum jejumayefo ana posifo no momehwe nso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi ehu hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority ene de bro.
Sell Gift Shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we will deliver. Thank you.
God did this thing when he made you. Woman to woman, you're one in a billion. She a queen, she a vision. Pretty woman, beautiful woman, so fine, she causing confusion. Keep your head up, no look down. You say to yourself, you say, look at me now, you see me a bad bitch. First class, baby, you know me status. Super icon, me no need to practice. Walk in a room, everybody wants this. When you see me coming, better bow down for me. Queendom, come pour a flower for me. I'm looking at a girl in a mirror, and here's what she said to me. She said, woman to woman, you're one in a billion. She a queen, she a vision. Pretty woman, beautiful woman, so fine, she causing confusion. Keep your head up, no look down. You say to yourself, you say, sure you want cause it's something. With the way you dey move your body, yoddy. Fine girl, no be smarty. Boss babe, where they run things. Naughty, sexy girl, no they hide yourself. Not for nobody else. See the girl in a mirror. Here's what she said to me. She said, woman to woman, oh, you're one in a billion. She a queen, she a vision. You a pretty woman, beautiful woman, so fine, she causing confusion. Keep your head up, no look down. You say to yourself, you say, can't you see me now? Cause I can't see you now. That you see me now. God did this thing when he made you. Woman to woman, you're one in a billion. She a queen, she a vision. Pretty woman, beautiful woman, so fine, she causing confusion. Keep your head up, no look down. You say to yourself, you say, look at me now, you see me a bad bitch. First class, baby, you know me status. Super icon, me no need to practice. Walk in a room, everybody wants this. When you see me coming, better bow down for me. Queendom, come pour a flower for me. I'm looking at a girl in a mirror, and here's what she said to me. She said, woman to woman, you're one in a billion. She a queen, she a vision. Pretty woman, beautiful woman, so fine, she causing confusion. Keep your head up, no look down. You say to yourself, you say, sure you want cause it's something. With the way you dey move your body, yoddy. Fine girl, no be smarty. Boss babe, where they run things. Naughty, sexy girl, no they hide yourself. Not for nobody else. See the girl in a mirror. Here's what she said to me. She said, woman to woman, oh, 'cause I can't see you now, that you see me now.
Yamamo Akwaba Embra Coastal TV Morning Mix Kasebo sorry Morning Mix Jumedie no esto ane yakọ break about the na nyesa mbi kan no other segments so e wo hɔ a wɔsɛ ye de to aso emamunti no ye be sha say with the newspaper no ye be ye newspaper review ye the ubon krata no ye de muntem e be brem ye wi na fei yakọ enkomombo of the day no eso nti no yenye no sa oma Akwaba nyamna me wo
na Akwaba anka
me ya henewa ya medofo pa
momo Akwaba
ya oba
ansani bakonu wa agido
ya oba ya mi ya nua
mu ya za ba hwehwo mu hu be ba fa nti ega Akwaba na nka hwia nchien wa yisin momo Akwaba di ma henewa ammentu manke bi na ese bi sem na awoje na nka wozi nti mama Akwaba wajema henewa anu so ta ya ohena na ya henewa na ma Akwaba na nka wi anu ngagare
sam kitikiti no mna titi
tabe cheche uma atase
medase ne mum na just expecting to say ya nua oh ya odo ya
odo nka ho
ya madamfo odo nka ho se
odo nka ho
undomi
ase
wasam o time ya na ndo bia beda penasa anopa mi di wechi ya nto aso yemfa daily graphic me ma na kwa abakekeke no me yakwa no peyo daily graphic ne de sha say anope Ghana versus South Africa, peace versus xenophobic. Na ne yete ne say against xenophobic attacks Ghana takes tough stance, declines South Africa's president's visit. Na almost a conference be eba bekoso by National Commission conference be a conference between business leaders Ghana and South Africa business leaders be anka eba bekoso 1st of August 2026 year woman. Na xenophobic attacks ya ekoso e South Africa and na ba beto just say Ghana ni nipa baako ne dini ye bibi Isaac o se Isaac o se Isaac bibi Isaac etu aka no last month 30th almost say deadline anko for other African nationals in few mu krom no oyeche na ekọọsụ no etu eka Ghana ni baako ewo ho ama akwa ye dejwa ema obi e kan de I don't want to make a definite conclusion. I stand to be corrected, but since as no ESSIEN no me nyo bi a me South African news name no I know or I haven't seen, I've not heard say president of South Africa Cyril Ramaphosa bibia about the death incidents no. I stand to be corrected. Ebia na me na me hu yempacha wo video na now they are sending me, but to the best of my knowledge me hu bibia about that. And Ghana sa official visit and kananka was South Africa for president pay Ghanaians and as a Ghana president John Dramani Mahama ni na by ni Ghana for nyina no sa visit no ya twa sensen na yakase bibi suspended indefinitely and na say ya twa sensen ya bra ya ma data san baso ntino yenim se beba so se mbaso mpo yenim sama yeko school no yakase ya ma obi suspension indefinitely on kwatine fia is as good as ye yinedi because obi nim time obeba nti ano ni asema ekoso ewo Ghana versus South Africa intem nsem bebre. All right, yenkoso government unveils renewable energy plan aban no aba ma unveil say den we yi huntuma ana wapa huntuma renewable energy plan na eno no energy nyina ma hoden a meka ne say ensada nti bibi ti say ewia eno say ewia no ete ho afebo science for ne say ebedu maybe na ni ho bi but in the meantime ne de fisi e wo me besi enne no e wo ha besi enne nti solar energy wind energy ne ne keka kan ho no say sa de no renewable renew and say fuel aye no say odi ye adwuma na esan asa untimi san recover sa fuel na akoto enim say okosan akoto foforo nti no renewable energy plan bi na aban no e de aba betu dwa say opese ye de eye adwuma e wo Ghana ha say ye de mu details and updates ebebremo Goldfields Foundation World Vision provide water for Damine community. Nti say ameno ka say okọ Damine a ye Goldfields mining company na e wo ho no omo e de water project bi ababe akoso wo ho chese omo amomo water project bi ebebo ama Damine community no omo nsuo sem esiye ene ade woman 61 years of age gives birth in Accra we no omo say awonwasem bi miracle bi esi ewo Accra maami bi a wedding fishia no eduosia ba ko 61 wawo afa no ho afa ne ba awonwasem because normally no yenim say oba de unyanya 40 ebi kwa nya no as early as 35 menopause no ebi de etimi ba as early as 35 unyanya menopause so a awo e de awo no de nya de obetimi awo bi ebi nya omo de 40 ebi so nya omo de 45 kwata by 50 de oba bi anya menopause but say obi enya 60 years 61 na wetimi awo no it's a miracle eno ntina apie news mu anope na ohwe Daily Graphic front page ni dia na chese ne wo ho nyina no na media amamu no all right Junior Graphic enso edin sembi ababetu dwa no pay or say children in cities developing myopia screen time major cause na myopia no short sightedness na chese obi wo ha nani no ontimi enhu ade ye short sighted chese ohunu wechi ana Debbie ontimi hu ade wechi obetimi enhu ne ewo enim sei no but ontimi enhu ne ewo echi nti bia Mr. Omati emi hu no but bia mentimi hu light na egbo ho no ana se mfonyi na ewo wo no bibisa na njomu eche se ade ba ko a course sa nima we pa long screen hours nkwala omo hwe phone mo 24/7 and every 1 minute bia na phone kita no every 1 minute bia o share laptop so every 1 minute bia na need to your system unit ne be dia system unit monitor so wo san krofo na omo hwe screen no so bebre no on say screen no yes some blue light bi eya na efimu eba blue ultra debe sa tech phone no be hu ba mi de minim but when say blue light bi efi screen mu na eba na e directly into your eye wo cornea no nti wetimi akose sa myopia short sightedness ya kan wasem and njomu chese nkola bebre a wo cities so let me just say Cape Coast, Accra, Kumasi, let me just say the common cities that we know no nkola wo ho no and the developers have myopia ya railway it is a course Junior Graphic National Essay Competition so 2026 edition koso sa na ese sanso na Junior Graphic Parliament and U quiz and also so aba bekoso na Junior Graphic Essay workshop no ashase ni nyina nso ewo Junior Graphic anopay Omar Abdullah Manuato.
Yo, I did the Junior Graphic account or classmates for.
Me classmates for say. Me classmates for say.
Cho senior you saying junior junior can Junior Graphic. Yeah, contract anu you go do you record that sister we to me ordinary nurse wo na classmate from one day. Yeah, ko the Daily Graphic de biara card anu za ababu de gwa in there. Eko and the man to my Western North police for bi ho wotumna waatwe ho na asensa de ma so ne police commander oho no say to ma chere de ama bambo no mu etuma ya papa se ntira de oye kro bi oho police fo na timemfo gejigakra tum krodo nje kese dem police fo na onam hono nsado ebi etum na ahwe hono wa ahwe hono kwano no oba maze na fi wotum wa yehwem etum afa asmem ama DCOP Dr. Francis Kwame aba maze abache kire nsem de kwano bi ara bambo mama no ayazema nazamba ahorowa nkankan beye bie na ne basa bie no wa ahwe hono kwa ne bi nso otum apipia no abamaze na fi wotum na wa ma itida etum aba ntigana fo wonya rehyem kankana ho na ma ye hosami etum na esi aya hono do no kata no do ha na yetum yigina nso kase a auto wo ya Ghana ma nazima ahopi wotum na wa ahwe ho ka birim so wotum na wa pipe birim so wotum ase ho ya japati kirense ma impa adesenum 35 na wotum na wa ahwe ho kwa ankisa da maso ne empiem ahenum 58,000 ana necessary so honzama etum na asasai nema bi etum na ahaw abira isum so otomotai da maso ne aye maformasia na bisibiri ohwehwe na wontum wo hu nti iya baye asamkase adama nazama ahowa wo oye amane Ghana nti za ibutu baye ndai eba mazina fi yetum na yako nkozin nazima birimsa wo aye ahyanso krata bien mekire aye paso so dual citizenship bill no hit road block nti the minister so na etum na aba abodogwa abila council of state was advice against aye passport ebi etum na amede me fi Nigeria me sanu fi Ghana Nigeria fu para Ghana fu ntampe ho US de na papa times all ha go to your country man ya wurafu ha na ya ha adwenti papa so no so na ma de business one I am poor kapan South Africa for wa ha adwenu papa no onto na mu some of the mama won wala si ndida na chere wala e ekukrum na echal na amba time odama wona hwo aje funsem nti sisi ayi so bobwa ma ahuna wo ya hona adwenu min ya krata yi otum na abefum.
Okay, young call women and leadership, women show, leadership show, newspaper. I will have say, and na so ma edi o ka say bon say Shamima Muslim, deputy presidential spokesperson, and she's calling for stronger extractive reporting to boost accountability. Nti ya kana accountability there na say obi eba be chirechire mu ne wotimi aye say your office or say your adwuma bi na ade share say ne wotimi aye so far nti I think there's something called extractive reporting and o che say sa ne manema no enkoso so ne be ya accountability so ebe koso e wo man ni mo. All right, Egyptian ambassador trade minister strengthen Ghana Egypt economic partnership inti o share mfoni eda ha na ambassador of Egypt to Ghana ene mame Elizabeth Ofosu ejare trade minister mfoni da say no my handshake nice na o chese sa ayonkofa na senkita wudi ewo Ghana ene Egypt intem no ebeboa ma ye economy no akosho akonenim pa na trade so chese what mu say ade ba ko a drive economy pa e trade edwadie ye to ade ye ton ade ye de neme e kwa amano ne ye kra neme fi amano ne aba sa neme no nema enti e ka say inflation ye cost bebre na most of the time na ejina sa neme economy ne na we na ejina ne nice so pa. Parliamentary staff celebrates Dr. Gloria Salku-Kumawu's dedicated service at a monthly prayer session. I think Parliament more monthly prayer session bi omoye. Now omuchema mami deputy clerk in charge of corporate and financial management services Dr. Gloria Salku-Kumawu. Onono eju sa session e dia and you on check crowd, be making sure say obia didn't want Jimu bi. Let's just say oh boy Juman ka say so any. Into no parliament abona baso pa set why ya dear it was a Jumedi na wo dino. Na Mavis in cancer boadu Mavis in cancer boadu Member of Parliament Emma Efijare Secretary East, and she's demanding updates on 24-hour economy as government reports $11.5 billion investment commitment. Na Mavis Ankansa Boadu, or member of Parliament Emma Efijare Secretary East no, or chemi say abine say sika what they share a 24-hour economy no emuno a year $11.5 billion. Set aside ya and na offer report embra or mayor account and share or mount for na yen share ne 24-hour economy ni sika or they share muno say a pepepe and also say a webra. She's demanding accountability from the government regarding 24-hour market no and 11.5 billion Ghana cedis are abino ediashim and market economy no and it's 11.5 billion Ghana cedis are abino. Sorry, US dollars are abino ediashim. All right. African Family Values Conference boosts Ghana's tourism image, investor confidence. Salaga South NP Hajia Zuwera Mohammed Ibrahima and or Kasei say African Values Family Values Conference be a course no aboa ema Ghana ye tourism no emu ashekina na ama akrofon so mpesa mo be invest e ye tourist sector ni mu tourism sector ni mu no and also so sa akrofon no anya rehye mu kese se ombetimi adidwuma bi a etesa e wo Ghana hase nti eno ne asema ewo ho ewo Women and Leadership newspaper.
Buno and half krata ababa no sampi nye no otum no owachi chensema oye Buno region ashasi de wozembra wozebeye dwuma ma nazima waya hona adwen na wo ma oye nsesi ontum onkodo botutu wuru egu basabasa no wo ho ashase ko oye mbreyima soye na efi wotum na okebeso senti pokura wotum na wotu dama anamorim. Alliance call on Bono East MPP to deliver transparent internal election. Nti noso krata tume daba. Wosa abana woto no. Ambra no machi echim aye ehume fan na nazima wokokoto aben wogina bi na se binom hu na zin tuma nkoyo ma machi echim. Agese ye. Bono and Hafu ahwa na yetum yigina wakrata no do no. Aye Bono Regional Minister lead effort to restore out of service ambulances. The man did the who the way it pay me panda ambulance the way no here. Do here anka. All I'm paying for on tour. And see BBR you know. And who now sabi who touch mama wash ambulance when ya when who to taxi him or the baby na pay for back because there's no ambulance we not taxi no wow. We have some teaching hospital man. It be our mob right here go in Pomoboy. Now the main time na catch the say a banampo one day and na there. Ayaka chase no all work calm and ben when you move so no ya. The same people. Taxi driver sir. The man aya a how to move to Honija. You mo trinkwa. You must shown. They would the baby na all abutar. There abufraba butum na wa taxi. Akwa kwa ho bufu bi alemba. Sabi uditum des na so ne yira ne nua nti de ma na wuto ne mmom za yitumi kan na ambulance ahoro wa wotu tai wode bai wochichai wa achawazi mfumda aba nti o ka che mfumda the whole region the whole district wonye sika nya ambulance ni the whole constituency was wochichai constituency levels no wa share wa park the MP, the regional minister, or the DC is tomorrow. Won't to young balance ni. But I have region. Minister, you mean sure there's the original as the name. She need to enjoy free public internet by the end of this year. I tell you, I was in trouble, but you know, at your way, how. See him now that the minister about to go each other wa bobo ho we sisi ho obanda me so obia shenide obanda ma bo bandam obo papa itumi ehye wodi na yanko di nkomada sister ya de bia no no nem hoi ochewe buro wodo wa ye dem itumi yinkwa afi di nkomo na oye ba fine pa nta here for ho yankopon nhyɛ papa the whole community sunyani afiboku na wiyi na ye enjoy free each da ho wudi nkan tana mo ko school ko baby ke ye adwuman ana wotu ma wose wanfa oya aban nsan bia ohene na oda ababoto ntene na piao na me nhyɛ papa the etum ne etu dam aya anamari CEO supports Cocoa Colleges of Education project with 100 bags of cement. Ayagulo first could be ma 10 bags. Hey, cement no we do. Cement cocoa 10. Ayagulo be am hand say 100. The cement ample calculate could be 100 Ghana. Net the times 100 pieces. Maybe so small money. Hey, I am the penny be akashabo. All of 10 bags of cement. Na ahimba bi la dabi for 10 ka ho. Was all who send years, what I did to my Ayaguzo, Nina, Aya and Brain and Cabia. Techima 24 hours economy markets, contractor assures terminating project completion. Yo, Yato, Umamazin, na Mobutum contract no we why fight the Yoku Hine. Since your own Chebiara, I feel below Hine, Yakakotoa.
Yeah.
The Kotoa Beno would see the man would done Nanija. Why them may be a basanoko? I do compare I am young in there. The same party and when you wasn't about the same time, Jim. About your project and performance of a bayan. And I'm a Ghana and Sasa who why did you? Why is it in Quankra? P. Your best some painful. Yeah, sir, all 24 hours economy kept was here. Since you say your quote, say your book. It's simple painful. Because what the buy and make it to mobile. This I in TB the word you quantify. Nina, Catapulina, which is well. Bad the penal could pay be 1 year. Until very
uns being Canacasana.
I did.
Canacasaniancy.
I bet you now some make answer.
And what bunny?
Encroach discussion.
And discussion by the coach. Be a so.
And you make a person here the wash us.
Yes, away.
Yeah,
Yan dear Hifa.
Enough Elquan Johnson ho. A poker crabba in Melquan.
Minimelquan.
A poker crabba casha rice at the casha quantum. Would you do Jenjan ho 24 hours economy? Wait to see.
I will be in Chenchen.
I will do intend to be over project. No, nephew will clear ho. A caterpillar sources to no on ye maybe nothing so good, not so good. So call the field going in a
Some focus say more moon found corner still now.
You know about temper. I didn't see our armor. There is serious discussion, not in a fight discussion, but there's a different comment from our MP. When I said our MP is the Cape North MP, and even our mayor, because all the baby are making a ye, Bopo Chow, Nkasa Dam, Nina, Chuminaba. But up to now, you won't there. Our leader, majority deputy leader in parliament. Our MP, Cape South.
Yeah.
Our MP, first by Kwakana and Po, was Ubisino. And even Ubisino, when a Yahufi, I'm going to make a there. Project wouldn't the more doors because Hennessy Malik. Ramsey onye PRO kasa wo ye fi ha na ndem oboboy school room market school room na no ho keke ho parking hospital police station actually 24 hours or a bunch of projects or you could talk project but up to now we do keke but 2 years we are going to vote. The likelihood that the sitting government will go again. When I say the sitting government,
of course they will go again.
Will win. That's what I'm talking about. Whether they will win again, Brain and Caribbean or Babachi.
I don't even care whether they win or not at this moment. But I'm
not because the sitting government, you know.
Whether they win or not, I'm from home. Maybe they understand. Fine. But as long as you are in government, I would say, oh, baby, you way, and no, ɛna na yɛ enwuma na ɛbɔ wano during the campaign enwum we woto ne den to say national anthem ɛna yɛ de tumi na ma say okay ɛna gye na fa yɛ ne opese wonye o si 24-hour economy ɛho 24-hour market aba na say na 24-hour market na ba na wakako juju de na wunya nya no how long will it take to build a market?
And I
catch himself 4 years and there's no enough in the end for back on count 5 years.
Yeah, the 4 years and 2 hours no. 4 years and 2 hours. It's like 2. 2 now simple about 1.5. The reason is 1 and numerary equal to other.
Now 8-year development plan now paying for Cape Coast as I'm making. I mean the whole Ghana. Cape Coast then I'm making. 8-year development plan now or more upon to myself or more de baby ejuma na deben because Honorable Judge Justice Arthur, this speech is in recent times I mean na feature the 24 the friends and the 8-year development plan. Now developments no or more developing the same. By not listening to the people and assessing.
Shende the baby ekwe kanenemi.
Yeah.
Show me so tomoti. Why you be here also. But order we ye become. Ibri mama wotum no we are done hweja. Ibri mama ba kada Ghana on kan. But order you to me ekwe name. Na ihunu so the why dem you say amaya so why dem you exam so. The exam is a time start work wo ho. 10 minutes time, 3 minutes time here I catch them exam center. But emberoko. What is going on? Look at Abra, the major road linking Cape Coast North, Cape Coast South, from Pede Johnson up to Brazil. That's the end of the Cape Coast North. Brazil. That's the end of Cape Coast North. Brazil. That's the last community. Straight to Himalaya Road danger. Now, do you know that president, our president, John Dramani Mahama, Alba. Just 2 weeks was last week or so 2 weeks, yes. But the maybe is so connect. Now president one boom, no one to see. Okay. And then answer me when I remember no this is to another president for them.
I shall say
and remember no call suit away young you know with the full sauce in a gugum. With the full sauce in a gugum. Now there if you were all year now, a cadet the man maybe with gugum on your papa. No, I saw the mobile Google. That shows that I don't know what is happening. Because as you know yet, share a very dangerous CCT Cape Coast Technical University station ho. If we to call a Wilson Girls High School,
yeah,
it could do ho. It's a crime here we used to be 30 minutes. Jumping. Asobialo wom as etekale me mechi mezan asobialo wom the man is a kwekudu ko asane tum na atodo traffic anapa awotu moswell is not easy make am podokure bokwa anapa early morning hours no e bokọ na yakọ akọhwe traffic na ya mama fu otum no we hunu live nti e baka CMCR fu na fi tum ya early morning 6:30 ekidion na it's a combination near abon life if you communicate if you tune yare because I share the system in demo tomorrow kwa at least if you CCTU stretch road other choir campus so fine good perfect but coming out from CCTU papa and there inside in the roads in the can so tomorrow and the same in the roads now so or say if you better agree and car turn number that to your car yeah, hey. MC so what because another be some who that chief driver in them say you the chief driver.
Oh, one of the yard. Because I can you na drive car pan and can you power from the drunk come some me shop as me see ananti
oh sharp.
Sa kwan we akwa say eh.
Ye chief driver ni some year wa ka car la chan. Na ye the man cha so bialo wo mi ani da kwan ye yi so po en nem po no po boa or if you na azi.
E kwan na wonam so as a puzzle. One young critical thinking kakra gubura accident straight.
Yeah, the capital city in Kent. The dome beam. I can't fear now. That's what you do. And a pebble solid. Nah, a white into. Was a da way but two paper in a higher black. Why am fine? You knew my summer wild back. A cheap. If going to South and North Ireland, majority of the road network in the Abacas heart for what this Neche Ayankase the Kuti that so be alwo. Now the major road because this major road ana sooner ahokwa wo fia manaza ko wo ba a tourist road a wo ko Kakum National Park. And Kakum National Park sika o produce adeba no be say easy. Because e bia you alcohol ya mention.
Oh yeah.
Obia fee ebutua ibu otu gate fee 5 cedis. And when the impa 100 no work out bia butua na je oba jow oba kan wa jow. And say na kofo work here oba talo. Dollars is cedis. And look at the road network. Asobialo woman the man say that trabra.
But come to think of it, Kakum National Park, like your tourist sites in the Wahase, can they repair the roads?
Precisely, scanning here, Odoko, the main pool is the government pool. In scanning here, Honoko, into collect and send, no way, yeah, collect and spend. Say, Alice Plain in Nakadeo, I can do this. Their concentration mainly after collect and send, you know. Coming back is how to maintain inside the Hara. First, in the national park or from the gate to the main are very bad. So recently, but to me, no, the last time I said it's not enough. Even the gate to enter Kakum, there should be different thing altogether.
Renovation.
Big innovation. The first attraction should be the gate. It pay wala whether a fun electronic nala wa. This a pure man conquering. Why then can wa we just in check and send a real question. And look at the money. I quite remember may your story be about it to call. Okay, castle and mutumukwe. Them catch a woman daily basis. Kaaba. I said, no, be say easy. No, be say easy. My sick a bunch of skull to my band. Nyazi at the back. And look at the castle, the Mina Castle, the Kipos Castle. And those inside, you know, are we benefiting? And then later I know about what I want to go. And some days I no, I know those. Because I had Debia, who had a king, yeah, crow bido, who knows some more to Moses. We update the public. But to the baby I know yo. Was what I also hit you to me ye can answer. But on the national no Abra Akoni ya story of one this empty was say omoyo unti say alcohol now they can make it sure. Dame who sell see I want what does so. I can't be ankasa. Yes.
Because Amakasa to what end?
It's an I could to hear free. The kucha kwanala miss oya asobiale woman the abattoir yashe anapa working hours the busy road and go pompo no abon po na UCC inside the hall akwane so do ma ho so tumi blue for all ko because I want to work back oya pay the Johnson majority to for
yeah
because I better UCC zana no ba for wa kwantam na obi si UCC gate na if go to na wa twere we pay nye the man chen yasa baba nti ebese mpanyefo de bebe ye dwiri nkotendi ye mama na fi ye ntum na ye mboa
me ba ku ye si wo kotokraba da bia meka sa meka wansem kotokraba ekwan no onse ufri ase ho na wo fraba sontek anim ho akwakosi mu wo ho na e ho no 2024 ne to aba ne
yeah
2024 before say be to aba no tell me de ho na mefa na ekwan ne nyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyen na na deda ho. I think in November or so, aka kra me aba beto aba no. Na me hu se nkofo eye patching e wo kwan no so. Oh, and your musili potholes are na wa ade no so kwan no so nyinara. Ma bibia ye fine. Ye koto aba ni we last year 2025. January, February, by March. Na potholes na san baby. By March 2025, na potholes no asan baby. Na eno a solution ana a then intermediate then well a man in crabia na beche
Well, if you be do a crime and come and be out to a bar, BCCR. Ah, no, tomorrow. Cape Coast are secondary school, so in a crime and come and be there. No chance. The whole Cape Coast will be a secondary school. Your current government in the answer for majority of them crime and come and be the autumn starting. Maybe so I'll be out at chi, autumn was that and you don't know how to go.
Yes, also, man, they call the Punch newspaper. Now, a DC leads massive Kunsu cleanup. Chief employs 16 workers. MC Abrantia donates tricycle and sanitation tools. The MC Abine National Sanitation cleanup day no. Ukrofobi Ashamase Ashamudi ase dada na and also so papa. Guard police fund public funds with discipline. Tourism minister to new boards. Say new board. They are inaugurating new board. Be so the tourism departments hono and Mami Elizabeth can share almost a bano or mine photo there or mine sikadia or momodin say or mudi ebe bonho by pan nisikano and will be passing. No retreats in fights against drugs. Chief of staff and or kase na ochemu say eye nnubone ho ntokwa aga na ye kuno enya ade a ye ba be tiada de biara da na anopei mo mutie news na me kan say interior minister Muntaka and or kase nkofo a omoba say ompese ombe ye adwuma e security sector no emu security services no emu no emu be 6,000 there and hwehwemu ne test ne diagnosis ne ade e course no che say san nkofo no eye drug nnubone ehu bi wo momogem na adwemu yare HIV so de wo ho na adwemu yare no body metimi akasa sometimes eya na genetics say bi wo ebusuama eya na there's a likelihood say so be developing it and dey me enka say your mo fault na bibi say HIV and drug abuse ne dey and mabudu na fault and ebia na HIV no kwa blood transfusion and they call mojama. What was the last time I would say blood transfusion and will be HIV? And thanks you. And thanks you. To me, can just say nipa be no blood transfusion. E mo be na mompe protection. Eyamodin yankasa. Momodin say wo be say aduma no. Me so ma wo hwemani. Mami kana me kana ye. Mo be na mompe. Momodin say mo beto. Mo so ya kasa mo ntina fi a mo ntina. Mo so water jackets, life jackets.
They never say ya hefa.
Drug abuse ni HIV.
Kwe.
Awesome na me kana no. Only for over 6,000 anka mo your potential future leaders. Monya is say de mo ya hwa ni. Is am kwatena fi na mo no adwo. Drug ebu bebre eno evi Krutan weba no ena me hu a shop bi a ya so vape store na me hwa as vape na ede na me hu enwisiefo yi bi say picture na eda door no so am say hey that is how we do for here your vape store nyina me mu fi say vaping and also say cool friends vaping mu fi say eno na nya drug use oye vape no oye tune oye den is the same as obi akwa shinta munyina the value is the same. Is the officer oye vape no it doesn't count dream hu mienu. That is it for you. GES clears 3 years of academic intervention arrears for SHS staff in the Ghana Education Service car na ode senior high school staff teaching and non-teaching no to say no na 3 years kana na ode watua ne sika nyina watua na ka nyina ono obia eni asem ewo ehɔ no okay ti ano so ne nsema ewo ha sei esoma
eben aye the me sika ewo tue o say 3 years ima some of see if you buy basa kana ho na we ka jena ula we don't musa kamazo dama no the man name ka jena musa kamazo but ne sakaza ombo biara men ebetumode ne ka okututuka ne mom okagine sika ne da ando mamujia oka che ne nsempie sisi ekirima ba sebi news Western North Police Regional Commander assures residents safety. Dema izin kai to mekano. Ana na also to mogwo nti ogida mpanyimfo ye hwehwem to ma fan kan aya police fa wo twa. Mo izin mbo da mensemi megidigide to ma so don IGP. Onye sinchera ogida wo ye hwehwem. Se na wo hwonkofo no so da wo tum wonwa aber no anhwe ye police bi abiso. Onye asa papa nemom ogida wotum na wodin komo nti hwehwefo wonwe be ya to extend there azin paper no nde was awankuti hunsam no de bay
say session news
ntawankuti hunsam anfa bia ne danka e chere e kan hezi kakra na wole ija wole so kan hifia
wo hwe na say Cape Coast News afa Cape Coast News bra
AFIBA nan yanko.
The Ghanaian publisher said government officials involved in $208 million meth scandal, according to Interior Minister Muntaka Mohammed. The word meth, no, I don't really know what it means. No, I'll just leave that one. Now me the details now later. Akofina North Christo Asafo leader says lawyer Kwame Ekufo. Na ni etiani say the late Safo Kantanka neba Safo Akofina aye de no edi ade se Christo Asafo leader no according to obi a ofri abusuan mu na o kyeremu se we no ankyere se ono nye Christo Asafo leader ne mum no we no ka se Safo Kantanka eni ho as family head a ono ne beti na name as family head, not as Christo Asafo leader.
Yeah.
And I don't know about the company's name. Na dia na woja na chi na don't know no be as CEO, but we no na can say only as family leader, not Christo Asafo leader. It's a non nsema e wo ha. AG uncovers 5.27 billion Ghana cedis rot in 2025. Attorney General and na ochemu se wakwa kutu friends focus we tu ehu sika bia 5.27 billion Ghana cedis bia ekokodi kata se hye proye dream die kankan emu nti ano ne nsema wa ha. Ramaphosa visits freeze president of South Africa ne insa show de ba Ghana no and also so ye de blog atoso ye de chef regime. Suspended indefinitely. All right. See, that's up for the Ghanaian publisher newspaper.
Right. Metro Lens. No so. Pa South Africa. You know down Ramaphosa. All I hear mental hala. Tina ukrum na yonsentra yin. Na mfemi kutubi ara mbra na mama hoyo nti. Dema if you bet to to go no. The maso na krata Metro Lens. Metro Lens in some no one majority ni ayetu yaka. 1,300 recruits test HIV positive. HIV. Anke 8 aka mboba na wetu moya but ya ba no don't know.
That's when you about the same thing.
At
the end of the day we
HIV and AIDS, but
it's not like HIV no ehun edro.
Say. Okay. We yam mboba no or honti mboba no asa na woka. Unye yalba. Nti za otu mo hoyim. Nti interior minister no the babo to go. Be back channel na or your doctor. And our health minister, Dabi, because it is security matters. It's security matters. Into Damana Assamity. Now I am Mr. Munde. AFIBA, we are the man Shumno home farm Mutuga. And then AFI because I don't know those into will be being made from internet. What to know the Mizam Babutuga. Because I don't understand. Because in your Nancy they started recruitment. Why recruitment? Into the recruitment. No, for what is the information? Into say, 21 the no to Mosi, because history and data are very, very important, and they know it.
Yeah.
So why this 1,300 recruitment test HIV? Into no, I want to wait for me. Baby, I'm sure you're going to have something. I said, if you have no so long yele bibia nti yele hwe emme na nka be minister ye daase ye minister da etum na dem ba be etum na da botu gua Akofina North Christo Asafo leader lawyer Kwame Akufu no do the mensemi etum na da tugua nti okakenka no wele no wose Akofina onye ebusua danyi family leader nti dem na asam ne ti nti yɛmma mmɔden na yɛnhyɛ ne so wasi not etututu akɔdo ma na dze mabi wudum ahwɛ ho nkɔ no no so krataa no so metrolens adeba efiba yɛnkɔ yɛnim.
All right, yɛntoa so na yɛmfa daily guide ɛmfa embra na 208 million Ghana US dollars mess scandal na munjaka eka wasem no ɛno nso so wɔ ha na maame adrasafo na ɔkasɛ Safo Kantanka didn't name next leader in will na ɔkyerɛ Safo Kantanka in the late one bo bi edin ɛwɔ ne will mu sɛ ɔno na enye leader sɛ oni hɔ a nti ɛno ne nsɛm so ɛwɔ ha na 300 candidates have HIV minister ɛno nso so wɔ ha sɛ seyira no asɛm na o ma o kan no na o say nipa mienu na ahwe o mo nkwa ɛwɔ sa police and resident clash no emu Asante Hima picks Nana ya echa a otoso mienu as two name na newest Asante Hima of Asante man no is in his two name and an nkonwa din a onya ya na o choose ye Nana ya echa a otoso mienu teno ne nsɛm so a ɛwɔ the daily guide.
The supreme krataa no so za ababudugwa ɔyɛ akofra ne nsɛmsɛm yara ana no so oda asan ne kyerɛ aba nti wosi ɔyɛ ebusua daneyi nyaza ɔyɛ asafo ne nyinaa ne daneyi ne ma ebusua ne ra ɔyɛ ne papa ne ebusua ano ɔyɛ daneyi nti ano za abotugwa. Global investors converge on Accra as Ghana pushes 24 hours economy agenda at trade week nti damisemi suna etum na ababudugwa nti no so yetum na yehwe bibia abutum na oboboa ma obutum na asomdwe etum na aba ma akwenyim. Appointee an environmental care to address rights of way and permitting challenge Dr. Evans Safu Edu na ọdụ dami nsemi etum na adatugwa nti yamma madina efi yentum na yenhyɛ nso. Samuel Owusu Amankwa calls for unity peace ahead of Ayewasu West Pool nti anoso na abedegwa. Damaso Dr. Ernest Oforisapong becomes Unimas Chancellor.
Dr. Ernest Unimac inaugural chancellor. Okay.
Because CCR no papa no any if your doma wo tum na wa employ one na can tomorrow kono na no yankopon no nhye because and pay money town kakra be fi bi hia ho kase be fi bi hia nti the mensemi no worship yanko ye na me fi ba.
All right. The informant sama o kan bebre na yaka Mahama versus Ramaphosa and economics recommends more funds for MDAs. Economics be Professor Peter Kwate echemu say MMDAs no common fund no kwa enso mo nti emphastica no bebre emfa enka ho. Drugs, alcohol won't solve problems. Dr. Swan, Dr. For NH say when you're broken heart, usika asa, wejuma say, wawaria say, unya wo, nina problems in nara, and ya dia inubone and ensa. A bit more solve any of the problems. Into no, obia into no F4. Okay, now a friend say the daily searchlight, and so can be a year or say. One step forward, 1,000 steps backward. Rawlings' infamous tribunals coming back as Ayini lays bill before Parliament. See, and also in Zambia, Ekoso, Abaimu. The details no ebeba enche. 10 public institutions failed to pay 5.2 billion Ghana cedis in taxes. And also in Zambia, a free daily searchlight say public institutions be or more and or more taxes or more taxes say sikani na okaboma 5.2 billion Ghana cedis and no any and sema waha sesia na the new center and so say 94.6 million Ghana cedis wasted under Green Ghana Miss Richie, MS Richie Plantations paid 9.5 Ghana cedis per seedling, while 1 Ghana cedis per seedling offered by local seedling suppliers was rejected. Nti enone ensema wa say Green Ghana agenda na ya adwin say ye beduadu anua wa Ghana yasa fa na Ghana fa na bebre eno local seedling dealers bi na omo offer omo seedling no for 1 cedi enso no aban an consider sa contracts no ama 9 cedis 50 pesos per seedling bi a contracts bi ede baye no eno na nkofo aban no ekwaje MS Rich Plantations omoye in charge of say procuring the seedlings no omukọ turn for 9.5 9 cedis 50 pesos instead of saying commit me a turn for 1 cedi into no chema sika be 94.6 million Ghana cedis there ya wasting no ewo Green Ghana project no eno nsema ekoso ewo ha say na I think the best me de eno no akbane we ana
but because I can't tell you the same thing.
I say there's a scope. I say NPP prepares for constituency elections as youth seek various positions. The NPP primaries no so a bit cost and share. B word. SSA Council of States reject dual citizenship. Let's just say Council of States and then A24 say ama abino and just dual citizenship in some no and to na me Ghana ni na me ankasa so mi sanso me free Ivory Coast me free me Ghana ni me ankasa so mi sanso ye Canada ni basa sande.
If you back kosher or daily gist, I don't know now. I want to attach more.
Daily gist, okay.
Daily gist. It's your hard
I say CID invites TikToker for claiming Mahama buried 32 live cows for power. Into no TikToker bia or no waka say President John Dramani Mahama SCA and entry mako 32. Senebeya obetimi aba aban we ni pa aba aban.
Where ask me? Important can you suffer be.
Okay.
Now why projects? Original so the one can hona baby. Na wuluku bubu. No, okay, won keep a chairman there. Time was in Jackie, the master the mu the reason why I know the suffer now or cast some one catching. But TikTok no can no catching. That's bibi crouch man. Nti ahana ezen cartel no pese bitu bi sinemom in the achiraba otum araba MC one boy na mbi se fi basam achiraba na otum no araba no oye yin bobo nkomo yes waba oye the beauty
yes beauty ankasa no wentimi amba ene
beauty ntimi amba
osuma minkase ne bedi echi
neze echi
se ombra jumadi ebi edina kwa kodi baby ntino
I see.
Nemom no ode able assistant bi so aba ti ono na ye ne betwetwe nkomode
I see. Assistant oya oba na ebema
islands oye ojenda ne bi
ye ko oye anu so awutumo de ba oye Facebook ahonka oye mensa mensa so ohwe we kofodia mensa atakura yes mensa atakura mensa also ohwe we kofodia mensa kopon shop papa dama efibe ken aha na ezin kracha no mpese mi ya so itumi bisi demo shane so da sister ye otuna he oyi kwakwa wa aba bochuchu nkomo na efi yetum na yehuza otum na rekoza otum arba ntimi wo fi ni fia na bomazan ze echi na mo ye ka kire anka ban mpanyimfa a wo ya na msefu wo gwa hada abra ke personals wizard your hope because actually traffic do an pa working hours a manfo wotum na wo bre papa ansa na wotu na wenya aya baby a wobutu obafa obokon oya how ankasa wore bo mazampe fu wo mazana foto won wotu mojiche ho ne da ye hu na osisi so maba bi na azana azabati ne national enough ti ama mazana fi yentum na yemboa aya doma wotu mojatenchi and yehwa aya IGF. Do you know IGF?
What is IGF?
IGF is internal generative fund. IGF. Sika ojino otimemfo. Nti IGF P if you keep close north or south.
Okay.
Nti IGF no so you to bi tax and nkete ala to another worejo e to so worejo car fo anchor pragiafo awhina this is our internal generative fund. Nti ani nguchoni eko oye assembly sa dem no to no one IGF wo so papa na sika wojije otimemfo nkete okwa assembly kon ana assembly tax or to ma also to no to the project internal project na if to no obo nti IGF na abrafo kekos not kan and when you talk about kekos not the capital whether they like it or not is abra dom wo kronum udan fa any dan fa amateur officer sam to mo kono hundo oho aye traffic na aye kekra na ho na busy because mo to police for cars mo time there obi do so be so a charge na bia age na amrado na bia le yin hoza Abra Academy Station wire yellow for Pragia. Taxi drivers on the name, trotro on the name, or Bia Bibiano Park, Biopibian Biarison. And see, I'm there, aha, Nazim come body here, IDBC. In Concajac, a Buffon Crato, if ya at Sababa, a Bejunga, now a Hova Wabano, we want to get them.
Educated, talented, she knows her worth. She's cultural, a woman of substance. And when she walks, the world will stop and stare. She's a woman. And fearless, she knows her worth. She's graceful, a woman of substance. And when she walks, the world will stop and stare. She's a woman.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawo bambo hu hia ukane. Enti no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo bibia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosisa petrol ana fango no na afin so menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho akwa akodwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol ana fango wo hwen so ohua ko wo mu a enye sunsun aso bone ewo apomeden sem so fango so eho ahometinti no enfom so okitu ebi ebetumi ameja tom ama na gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hyehye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa won nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo se fuel tank bi enya akwanhia na adane amafango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum jejumayefo ana posifo no momehwe nso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi eho hia bebre esensa